Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this Avant Garde outfit in Dresden Press without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can choose all these hairstyles and then you're going to make it black. And this necklace, make it this color. This one as well, make it this color. And then this one, you can make it red and black. And this earring, make it red. And then you're going to put on this crown and choose to go to and do the adjustment for the position only. Okay, and then I'm going to put on this granny dress and we're going to choose top only and apply red color for the first selection and also the second selection, and then you're going to change it to glitter. Okay, and the next one, you're going to go to this area and put on this ribbon. You're going to make it red and make it glitter. And then you're going to go to the dressing room, and from here you can go to this menu and put on this skirt. Choose this skirt only and make it red and make it black for the second selection, and then you're going to make it glitter and go to this menu, choose this dress and choose only skirt, make it red for the first selection and also the second selection. Okay, and put on this skirt as well, make it black, and then you're going to make it glitter as well. Okay, and I'm going to put on this skirt. We can make it red for the first selection and also the second selection, and for the third selection make it black and then again make it glitter. Okay, now it's done guys. And then you're going to put on this top. Okay, you can choose to go 3 and make it red. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.